Hi, you of Kansas Home Guys. We're out here in Rose Hill today. We've just finished up this house and here to do a little walkthrough, see how it's looking. This is one where we did a full basement remodel, and it was completely unfinished when we bought the property. And we added a bedroom, wet bar, and it's looking pretty nice. So we're going to take a little walk around and check things out. So previous videos we had shown the exposed walls, and we had our foundation company out here doing some work over the last few months. We do some work, wait for some rain, make sure we're not getting leaks, and once we have a good clean bill of health, then we're able to put the sheetrock up and get everything painted and finished off. So this house is a little bit of a project, but we were able to get it leak free. And now it's ready for new family to move into. Behind this wall, we added in that bedroom. Nice big bedroom downstairs. And a double closet. And there's even an additional bathroom down here. Real cute 3-bedroom, 2-bath in Rose Hill.